Oh, I have a lot of thoughts about what a perfect brownie should be. It has to taste like chocolate, not just sugar.
I want it to taste so much like chocolate that I get a little flushed and start to get a headache.
We use 3 types of chocolate in this brownie.
That's when something's really chocolatey, is when I'm like, oh, I get the chocolate woozy thing going on.
The key to a chewy brownie wasn't the mixing method, and we tried standing mixers with the creaming of the butter.
We've done brownies that go in your lunchbox, but we hadn't really kind of achieved that chewy, perfect brownie. The balance of saturated and unsaturated fat makes that perfect chewy consistency, and these knock it out of the park.
And then to really drive home that chocolate flavor, we're gonna add chopped chocolate.
It's got unsweetened chocolate, it's got cocoa powder, it's got espresso powder, it has bittersweet chocolate, and you're not gonna not taste the chocolate in this thing, which is like, okay, that's right.
This has that chew that the box brownies had, but way more flavor.
Genuinely a chewy brownie and right between fudgy and cakey.
They're like the best brownies ever.